introducing our 2025 Geely M Grand Luxury. M Grand Luxury natin, sa pangalan pa lang, malalaman na natin na luxury yung ating sasakyan. So, ang pinakabagong features nito, sa interior, all black na yung interior natin. Previously kasi, beige ang color or kulay blue, and then madumihin. Alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, yung ganong color, medyo madumihin. Ngayon, all black na yung interior design ni M Grand Luxury. Also, yung infotainment niya, mas better, mas malaki, mas wider dun sa previous na model ni M Grand. Yung mga right now, dun sa mga kasegment niya, I think mas wider, mas longer, mas better dun sa mga segment niya. Price over value yan. Dun sa minimal upgrades lang, particularly on the interior. Mas sophisticated na siyang tingnan, mas luxury na siyang tingnan, mas better siya compared dun sa before na M Grand. Hindi ka bibitinin kasi meron din siyang 3 different driving modes, the sports mode, the eco mode, and the comfort. Pagka nag-avail ka ng or nag-purchase ka ng any Geely vehicle, lalo na si M Grand Luxury, meron kang free LGC Cares 24/7 roadside assistance. Bali yung current deals ni M Grand, our interested buyers can enjoy up to 58,000 down payment. All in na yon, free na yung insurance, shuttle mortgage, and LTO, and so on and so forth. Yung monthly amortization is nasa 19,652,000 for 5 years. Yung SRP ng M Grand natin is 949,000. Meron siyang promotional discount na 40,000. Yung mga interested buyers, you can visit us sa our dealership located at Jose Abad Santos Avenue, Barangay Macabacle, Bacolor, Pampanga. Beside Max's Restaurant lang tayo sa Bacolor. Or you can reach us through our mobile number 0918-854-2766. Log on to our Facebook page at Geely Pampanga Official po.